So cool.
The casino that got wiped out. The casino, the Indian tribe collection point, their acclimation, it's got wiped out. So we had to take in more fish here.
Oh, hey, did you ever see that eagle?
Yeah, I did actually. That's right. You know what? About 2 days after you told me about it, he was flying around here.
Ron, there's an eagle in Eddie the eagle.
Oh, yeah?
He saw it.
It's funny you mentioned it because I was.
Yeah.
And if you look down there, they're constantly jumping up, trying to get upstream.
Yeah.
Yeah, see him jumping down there. Wow. Awesome.